2016 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.